Wait till you guys see what that was and what I was just in, because it is bonkers, dude. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's a Gino. Oh my God. There we go. Oh, he's gonna park right here. So cool, dude. Oh, coming back, guys. Come on, Zan. Just come back. Yep. Isn't that ridiculous?
That is ridiculous.
So fun, dude. Woo. AC still work?
Yeah.
Good, man. All right.
Insane. AC works.
Good. Grand reveal. Guys, this is Daryl. He's got a bunch of cool projects, and this is probably one of the coolest ones for now. A Turbo Gino.
Yep.
All right.
2001 Daihatsu L700S.
Okay.
It's a two-door, 5-speed, 660 cc's. Came turbo from the factory. As you can see, I've upgraded the turbo, blow-off valve, intake, suction kit, tower brace, sway bars on the bottom, on the top. I got spare performance, full tap coilovers. These wheels look like Steely's, right? They're not. These are very, very special wheels. They're made by Bridgestone, and they're called wraps. And they're a popular Gymkhana wheel from the early 2000s. I was lucky to find a set. It's probably for me. If they'll get me later, by the way, I'm on the run. But yeah, I had them powder coated. They look really good, and they're very light. You can pick them up with your finger.
That's insane.
Because they're aluminum, by the way. I've done just a stereo. Well, on the other side, I'll show you the seat.
Yep.
We've done I've done two braces in the back. I got the lower brace and the upper brace. I've cleaned the back out a lot, as you can see. There were 3 available in all of Japan when I was looking for one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Bill from CPD Motors was able to find it for me.
Hell yeah.
He found 3 of them, sent me the pictures, I checked them out, and this one was just, as you can see, it's mint.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's totally mint. Yeah, it's my daily fun car.
Daily fun car.
Yeah, I got the bride. You guys say Euroster, right? I say Eurostar.
Eurostar.
Everybody says it differently, but I call it a Euroster. Yeah, she hums really good, right?
Yeah, man. Oh wait, let me. Yep. Amazing.
Good for play.
Absolutely. Shut the f up, dude. No way. Are you kidding me?
And those are Neovas.
Oh, yeah.
It's on Neovas spinning it like that.
Oh, my God. Yeah, fucking. Oh, yeah. Oh, she'll hook. Dude.
It's contemplated, so don't worry.
Oh my God, dude, that's awesome, man. I've never been in anything like this. I'm gonna cry.
All right.
Oh, this is awesome. We're already back. Oh my God, dude. Good job.
Dang clips. All right.
Fucking hell. Oh, my face hurts from smiling.
It's fun. It's always fun driving.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
Like everywhere I go, it's fun. All right.
Oh, that was amazing.
Enjoy.
Yep. You want to take old friggin' Jose?
Oh yeah, you want to go?
Jose!
Is it nice or what?
Oh, it's crazy, dude. What?